All right, so here's an example of a problem you'll see on the test. Many of the problems will be a combination of everything that we have learned so far in this unit. With this one, you'll see that it involves graphing a function, identifying the area region, definite integrals, estimating the area using a Riemann sum rule. And so to make things simpler on this test, since the formula for estimating the area with the trapezoidal rule is given in the formula packet, I'm only going to be asking Riemann sum questions using the trapezoidal rule just for your convenience. All right, let's go to this question. All right, let's consider the region enclosed by the graph of the function f of x equals e to the power of x over 2 or 1 half x. It's going to be the graph of that function between, or on the x-axis between the vertical lines x equals 0 and x equals 3. That's our boundary. So x equals 0 is there. So 1, 2, 3, x equals 3 is here. So it's our boundary here to here. So we only care about the graph of e to the x over 2 between there and there. And notice how it says sketch. It doesn't have to be super exact. Easiest way to do this is to just get out your graphing calculator to see what it looks like. So let's see if you remember how to do this. So first I turn it on, and then it's already at y equals. And then, all right, where is e to the x? Press the blue button. For me, it's blue. I don't know what color it is for you. Then here, ln, and blue right there is e to the x. So I like to keep things fancy. So there's a little fraction thingy. So x over 2. I'm going to graph it. And you'll see how my graph looks really nice like this. For most of you, it's probably going to look like that, the standard look. Well, remember, you can always play around with the window to get what you want. So based upon the picture I have here, it looks like the picture in the question, I don't really need any negative values on the x or y axis. So I'll change my x minimum to like -2 and my y minimum to like -2 as well. And then graph it so that I get that. And I can even make that smaller because it looks like on the x-axis I really only need maybe to 4 or 5, and then the y-axis maybe like 5 or 6. So let's change that to 5, and that's the x max, or the y minimum. Change that to 5 as well. Sorry, the y maximum. Change that to 5. Graph it so it looks like that. So I'm just gonna sketch this graph, and it'll look something like this. So I know it goes through here. The y intercept is 1. So I'll just sketch it like this. Whoop. That's it. And that's the graph of e to the x over 2 between 0 and 3. But then it says shade the region from 0 to 3. So just do that. And so this would be the answer for that first one. And that'll be full credit.